do it nicely. Start all of that foot and carry just a second. Make sure you close that hand and shoulder and up the side of the leg, lick. Now stay with the ball of the foot. As you carry it around tight knees. Ooh, that was lovely. Step and step pull. Turn. Pull up on a straight leg. Hand and fist, not too high with your fist, all of your fold. Turn that leg out. Let's say step on a straight leg on spin. Up the side, make sure you stay over the ball of the foot as you carry it round. Find your knees. And pull. Turn. And. Alright, so pretty good. Just